This is Blue Collar Tourist. Not a great video today. It was very windy, very cold. I just went out there for a little bit, so the sound isn't the best. But like and subscribe, and leave some comments. Thank you. I'm Catholic. I was baptized Catholic. I don't know much about Catholicism. I know even less about Serbian Orthodox, so I don't know who any of these people are, but the church is really pretty inside. Let's see if we can go in there for a second. But it's really pretty on the inside. A lot different than Catholic churches. That's that. I think it's a Resurrection of Christ, Serbian Orthodox Church. I'll double check on that. It's pretty. So this is Podgorica, Montenegro. Church, Serbian Orthodox Church. They're all like housing developments. I think this is considered New Town. I might be wrong on that, but there's a little bar right there. It's quiet, you know, it's capital city. I think it's got like 200,000 people, or close to 200,000. You can see they're kind of dumping money into these places. You know, it's a mix of like old and new. Somebody's dumping cash in these buildings. I like Montenegro so far. Been here for a couple of months. Got a few more days here, and then going to Albania. Check that out for a little bit. It's pretty quiet. I mean, if you're young, I don't know if this is a city for you, like to go party or whatever. But they got good food. Women are pretty. They give you 3 months here. If you're an American, you get 90 days. So wouldn't mind spending 90 days in this country every year. It's pretty affordable. Even an Airbnb is about $1,000. So, you know, that versus your rent in Chicago or Cleveland or Iowa. I think it's like -5 right now. Today's in the 40s and windy. It's a little chilly here, but it's a lot less than, they're a lot better than the Midwest right now, I'll tell you that. Yeah, it's nice here. And that is Capitol Plaza. Crown Plaza Hotel is in there. I'm staying there right now. It's a nice hotel. Not perfect, but it's pretty nice. It's almost like a nightclub inside the joint. I don't really know. It's a weird kind of decor, but it's dark, you know? It's one of those dark places. I don't mind dark, but it's almost like too dark in that joint. This is one of their saints. Don't know who exactly it is, but he's somebody. And I think this is around here. There's a college. Some cranes in the distance. There's like 2 more over there. It's always a good sign for the economy when you got cranes, you know, people are building stuff. Used to work construction and go to the rooftop in Chicago. One time there's like 20-something cranes, I remember. It was booming. Don't know how many are there now. Probably not many. Yeah, University of Montenegro. So. Got some palm trees. That's always good to see, especially in the wintertime. So like I said, there's Crown Plaza. All on that first floor. Going around, there's little restaurants. It's kind of like a little high-end district. They call this Newtown, I guess. I haven't been to Old Town yet. I'll probably go tomorrow when it's a little warmer. See it yesterday, but it's nice, you know. There's definitely a coffee culture here. There's a bunch of little cafes, bunch of restaurants. One of the restaurants, nice, you know. They didn't want to seat me. I wasn't not dressed right, like it was Sunday night. Everybody comes out with their family, but they gave me a table or whatever. T-bone steak was $6.99. Got chicken parm, but I don't know. T-bone steak, I looked, you know, and thought it was a typo or whatever. $6.99 or 6.99 euros for a T-bone steak. Chicken parm was actually more expensive. And in this Capitol Plaza here, a DHL if you need to pick up your mail. I had to get my mail caught up. 150 bucks, 160 bucks to get some mail. But it is what it is, you know. You can't. Gotta stay connected to the U.S. It costs money. And there's also a place, like a tech store. You know, if you need a laptop or you need this or that, you're gonna pay a little bit more over here. Not that much though, to be honest with you. I bought this gimbal thing, trying to learn how to use it. Probably not doing a great job of it. It's 150 in the US. I got it for 160 euros, so pay a little bit of a premium, but not as much as I expected. There's always loose dogs. I was in Shkodër, it was like a city of cats. There's loose dogs running around here. They're kind of like, they're friendly, but can't be too easy on them. So it's kind of known as like not this most exciting city in Europe, but I like it. I'm not looking to party. I just want to relax, have a good, some coffee. Not drinking at this point, but they do got good wine here. I mean, if you're a wino, you're a wine head. They got nice wines here. Relatively cheap. I think in the old town part there might be some more cafes and stuff. You try to cross the street here in Balkan. They got the roundabouts here. I have no idea how they do it, but they do it all over the world. This is not working in the United States, I'll tell you that. At least not where I'm from.